Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me in episode number 65 of AppScan Tuesdays. Today we are going to talk about testing privilege escalation with AppScan Standard. Before we go to privilege escalations, many customers are asking me as they move to our cloud solution from one of the on-prem tools, whether it's AppScan Standard or Source or Enterprise. When it comes to AppScan Standard, they ask what are the differences between AppScan Standard and the cloud solution. So first of all, AppScan Standard is our desktop solution. It's a power tool, and it is very robust in its configurations and capabilities, and in the hands of a good application security expert or a pen tester, you can do some wonders with it. Really advanced capabilities as shown in previous videos. Not all of those capabilities are available in ASOC. So naturally, as you know, you can configure scans with AppScan Standard. You don't even need license to configure a scan and send it to be scanned with ASOC or AppScan Enterprise. But still, some of the capabilities of the scanning capabilities available only in AppScan Standard. And for example, things that are not available in the cloud today are user-defined tests, which Shahal showed many months ago actually, and I'll include a video here. But also client-side certificate is only available today on AppScan Standard, not in ASOC, and the topic of today, privilege escalations. So what is privilege escalation? In basic, and I'll talk more about it in the demo, it's when a user that is limited in what they are supposed to see in the web application can exploit that limitation, that access control, and gain access to areas that are not supposed to be available for them. And I'll show in this demo now how you can test for those in AppScan Standard. Okay, I have AppScan opened, and I will show you how to use the privilege escalation feature in AppScan. You can find the privilege escalation in the configuration. You open the configuration, you go to test, and it's here, privilege escalation. Reminder of what privilege escalation means. AppScan will try to reach pages that the user that is defined in this scan shouldn't be able to. And on the other end, someone that crawls the application with no credentials should be limited even more compared to the basic user. How do we test this? I need to give AppScan a scan that was done with higher privileges, and I have that. I created that ahead of time. So this is my admin, and I'm adding it here, and I will give it a name of the role, admin. I can also, doesn't have to, but I can also provide a scan with no credentials. What will happen here is that AppScan will run a scan. After I finish the configuration, AppScan will run a scan, and it will also compare the explore data, the pages that we were able to get to with my basic user, to pages that I was able to get to with admin. If there was a page that the admin found and the basic user didn't found, we will try to reach that page directly. Without having an admin privilege, we shouldn't be able to. If AppScan is succeeding, it means that a user, a regular user in the application, can elevate their privileges and get to areas that they shouldn't. Same for non-authenticated user. If we will see that pages that the basic user found but non-authenticated didn't find, we will log out and we will try to get to those pages again, finding the same problem basically. So let's configure this scan. I have HTTP demo testfire.net. I will use for login, as I mentioned earlier, I had a one login with admin. Now I will have a jsmith1234. And that's the only difference that I will have between the three scans. So I already finished. I have the scans that I showed you here, and they were configured with the admin and without credentials. Now what I need to do is just running a full scan. This scan will take a while, so I'll get back to this video. I'll stop the video here and I'll continue when the scan completes. So the scan completed, and outside of running the regular tests, it did the privilege escalation testing. As you can see here with these, and it found privilege escalation using a non-authenticated user and privilege escalation using an underprivileged user. That means that it was able to find, let's start with the elevated user. So it was able to get to these links without being, without logging in as admin. You can see that this was the original response from the scan that I ran with admin rights. And when we tested it, just trying to get to this page without it, we got to the same results. We were able to get to edit user information, although we weren't supposed to. This means the test response is similar to the original response. It doesn't have to be the same one exactly. And we were able to do vertical privilege escalation. Now it's easy to validate if this is a true vulnerability or not. Just look at the page. Check if this page indeed, we shouldn't have reached it without having admin or elevated rights. The same applies here for the non-authenticated user. So a non-authenticated user shouldn't have reached this page. We were able to get to transfer funds without being a logged in user, and that is definitely no. If you want to learn more about privilege escalations, you can check the documentation that we have. It explains how this test is being executed. As I mentioned earlier, in order to test the higher privileges, AppScan will attempt to access the additional links, the links that were found in the privilege user scan that weren't available for the basic scan, the scan that we are running. And it will try to do that without using the privilege credentials. And with comparing with non-authenticated users, the links that AppScan didn't get to without authenticating, AppScan will log out and try to access those links directly without authentication. Okay, and this was the demo. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, please put a comment below. If you want to hear about something else in this channel, I'm here for you. Just put down in the notes. I got already some ideas, and I'm working with the development team and the tech advisors to help and record those videos. So until next week, bye-bye.